is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Today I will be showing you guys my new project. This is definitely a special car, a car that I definitely haven't seen before. If you guys recall, I had the 335i F30 a couple months ago. I sold that already. No, I didn't do like a follow-up video on that. I didn't like update it, but yeah, that car is basically sold at this point. I finally got myself into another car. This is probably like 2 or 3 months after the fact. It's been a while to get a really good option car, so that's why I haven't bought anything yet, but I finally got something really cool. So let me show you guys and let's get straight into the video. Also, quick little update. Got some new wheels on the M2, as you can see. Sneak peek of the new car right there. But let's get straight to the new car. So as you guys can see, it has a little bit of damage, I understand, but it's definitely something that can get fixed. New hood, new front bumper, new radiator support, and we're definitely gonna get it fixed. As of right now, I don't have any parts for it yet. I'm definitely working on getting all the parts to get it fixed though. But has an intake, which is kind of cool, from an N52. I don't know if I mentioned it already, but it's a 2011 328i E90, of course. Something really cool about this car that caught my eye is definitely this right here. There is no sunroof, as you can see, which is really cool because most BMWs, most 328i's from this generation had sunroofs, and this one in specific doesn't have a sunroof, which is pretty cool. Coming around to this side, we can see that it has some wheels, aftermarket, of course. It has wheel studs. It also has EBC yellow brake pads for some reason. I think this car was previously tracked because it also has BC coilovers. You can kind of tell right there. But yeah, the car is lowered on BC coilovers. It has EBC brake pads. It has an intake. Other than that, the car is pretty much stock. There's no other mods to the car that I can tell from, at least. The fun part about this car is on the interior. So it also has alarm system, as you can tell, which is pretty cool because not most E90s had that. But coming into the interior, yes, the airbag is blown. This one is also blown, which I'm going to get this airbag replaced as well as that one. And I'm also going to be changing out this ugly ass steering wheel that these cars come with for some reason. But here comes the fun part about this car. It's a 6-speed manual. The car actually arrived earlier today. However, I hadn't worked on the car until now because of the fact that I was at work. I work from 8 to 5, so it's a little bit complicated because the car was delivered at 12. So I was in my shift while the car was delivered. But technically we couldn't get the car started because the battery was completely dead. So we had to just roll it off of the tow truck and get it parked right here. Now, these cars don't have a key switch to open up the trunk compared to like the previous E90s, which do have the key slot for the trunk to open up. So it was a pain to get the trunk open, but thankfully we got it open, got the battery out, put a new battery in it. Now the car does start. I did try to start it before, and it didn't start because of the power fuse that ended up popping. So I managed to do something with that to get it back together, and that way I could start the car. So I did get the car started. Now the car does run and drive, which is pretty cool. It does run pretty good. It drives pretty good, to be honest with you. Clutch feels solid. Now, another fun fact about this car, this paint right here is called Crimson Red, or Crimrot Red, I think, something like that. It's a weird name. It's actually on the hood. You can tell right there, or Karmazin Rot, which is basically crimson red. That's like the translation from German to English. But yeah, it's definitely a really cool spec, I would say. Definitely not something you see every day, mainly because of the slick top. Like I said, the red color also makes the car pop a lot. So I'm definitely going to get that hood changed out. I'm definitely going to get a new front bumper. Probably going to go with an M Sport front bumper since it's already damaged. Might as well just upgrade it and make it look a little bit better at the same time. So we're probably going to do that. Switch out the hood, paint it OEM, because I am not letting go of this color. This color is actually so nice. I haven't seen an E90 in this color before, so I'm definitely keeping this color. Let me start it up for you guys real quick so you can hear how it sounds. The car does have comfort access, but for some reason the key was replaced and it lost comfort access. So as you can tell, it's not starting without the key. So I have to insert the key. The car starts up perfectly, which is awesome. Obviously an airbag light because of the blown airbags. The car does have 138,000 miles, as you can see right there. For the year of the car and how this car has kept up, it's honestly not that bad. I think I showed you guys as well, the car does have a aftermarket intake, which makes the car sound so much better. Let me get a few revs for you guys so you can hear it. By the way, the car is warmed up at this point. I've had it running for a while, so it's not cold, so don't think I'm revving it on a cold engine. definitely sounds really good for what it is. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to do a quick little video so you guys can see the new car. You guys can also see how the car looks. Give you a little bit of an update on the car. And the next video, we'll be doing some fixes to the car and just go from there.